Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the vidIQ Premium versus the free plan. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. So as you can see here on the right hand side, I have the premium vidIQ, and the left panel, or on the left hand side, I do have the free account. What are the advantages of premium? So first up, we have the unlimited keyword discovery, as the free plan right here limits search results to a few related keywords, and premium unlocks full access to the vidIQ keyword tool, showing search volume, competitors, matching terms, and trending questions for any query. Also, you'll have a deep competitor and outlier analysis. Free users, can track up to 3 competitors. Just make sure that you connect your channel. But premium users can unlock up to 20 channels and allow sorting of videos by views per hour. Just like this one right here, over specific intervals such as 48 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, just to isolate high demand outliers topics instantly. So premium plan right here provides full integration with vidIQ AI Coach, just like this one. A specialized chat model trained directly on personal channel data to generate instant video scripts, title scoring, and strategic channel audits. So who should stick to free? Free right here is for creators uploading videos for friends or personal fun without monetization goals. New channels focused purely on learning basic recording and editing before diving into optimization analytics. So who should upgrade to premium? Well, digital businesses treating YouTube as a source of revenue where growth equates to income. Also for YouTubers tired of guesswork who want explicit guidance on exact phrases, description layout, and high CTR thumbnail styling. Alright, so again, go ahead and grab the chance to use premium for 1 month for only $1. Go ahead and click on the link in the description or pinned comments. But that's just basically it. That is the vidIQ Premium versus free comparison. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.